you. And oh, if you want to clap, clap. If you want to clap, clap. Thank you. As a mobile said, and we've given you a number of amateur songs. We will switch to some others. We will get to that point in the performance where I will give you a phone number, and then you will send a message to the phone number. Once I receive the message, I will read it out on your behalf, and then we will do special songs for message senders and recipients. This is what I mean. When we get there, I'll prompt you. But if you are here with your wife, your husband, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your fiancé, your office mate, your teammate, your roommate, your buddy, your son, your daughter, your uncle, your niece, your nephew, anybody at all that you came here with, if you have a special message for the person, maybe you want to say, sweetheart, I love you. You want to say, baby, I love you. You want to say, I cherish you. You want to wish somebody a Merry Christmas in a special way. When I give you the phone number, send your message to the phone number. It will come to me. When I receive your message, I'll read it out, and I will mention the name of the message sender and the message recipient, and then we take it from there. So when we get there, I'll prompt you. Now let's switch, give you some other songs, and then gradually get to the hip life, and then we do your Palm Regions and your Stone Boys and your Kinates and all that. Aha. But let's do this one in the meantime. In as much as we are promoting music, we are promoting wildlife, we are promoting conservation and all that, we are also promoting our culture, different styles of music and dance from around Ghana. Empty, baby, if you love this.